Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Kaufman. At my previous field placement this past semester, I worked with an agency who conducted group therapy for children with autism. So they ranged in age from 5 to about 21, and we worked on social skills. Um, in my current job right now, I work as a therapeutic staff support in a verbal behavior classroom. So I work with preschoolers with an autism diagnosis, basically getting them the skills that they need to begin kindergarten, while also utilizing some speech therapy techniques. We have them manned for items that they want to increase their language. My experience working with families at my current job, I don't really work with families. I really just work with the client. However, at my field placement, I did sit in on and eventually conduct family sessions with the client and whoever was in their family. I found that very interesting to see the whole family dynamic and just to hear about how different the client was in our group compared to how they act at home. The basic structure of my family system is I am the oldest of five children, and I was lucky to have my mom be a stay-at-home mom, so I spent a lot of time with her while my dad was kind of the breadwinner and he went out and had a job. It could get a little chaotic with five children, but there was always something to do. It was a very loving, nurturing family. I would say one role that I played is that since I was the oldest, I always felt that I had to kind of solve everyone's problems. Even if I wasn't involved, I was very much the peacemaker, and I find that I still am, even though I don't see them as much. I don't like when there's conflict. I'm always trying to diminish it. So I think that could play a role with my clients. I'll have to learn to really step out and to not be so much of a peacemaker for them. I don't really have any burning questions about family work at this time, but I am curious how extended family plays a role in the smaller unit of the family, if it plays a role, such as grandparents, aunts and uncles influencing the family structure. So I look forward to getting to know you all.